Welcome to Trinidad's legendary North Coast. Today, we're taking off from the Maracas Fishing Depot and heading into one of the most breathtaking stretches of coastline in the Caribbean. As we rise above the shoreline, watch the turquoise waters meet the lush green mountains that make this part of Trinidad so unforgettable. Below us lies Maracas Bay, famous for its golden sands, world-renowned bake and shark, and postcard-perfect scenery. From above, you can truly appreciate the scale and beauty of this tropical paradise. To the east, the coastline stretches toward Las Cuevas, revealing hidden coves, untouched beaches, and dramatic cliffs carved by centuries of Atlantic waves. Every turn reveals another stunning view. Every moment feels like a scene from a movie. This is the north coast of Trinidad, as few people ever get to experience it. Wild, beautiful, unforgettable. Whether you're a local seeing it from a new perspective or a visitor discovering Trinidad for the first time, this journey reminds us why the Caribbean remains one of the most beautiful places on Earth. So sit back, relax, and come with us as we soar above Maracas Bay, explore the coastline toward Las Cuevas, and experience Trinidad from the sky. This is Maracas, this is Trinidad, and this is Paradise from Above.
When we outside it, it's an ocean of love. All that we align it to the stars up above. Let we dance now, take a chance now. I'm a dancing morning. Look the one on see bed. Tell them we not leaving. Till the last drop of a canal is madness in the
Nozy Media. Content that moves people. Marketing that moves business.